Hey, what's up everyone? Jonny here. Today I want to discuss how exercising can help with marketing. So essentially, a lot of people, they're working desk jobs, they're sitting there several hours at a time, not really getting up. But this can, if you're trying to pursue marketing and get your name out there, get your brand out there, then it's vital to constantly be creating content, constantly being creative, getting your name out there, whether it's videos, posts, all sorts of stuff, articles. So there was a study that I want to talk about that actually proved essentially that when people are exercising, that they're actually more creative. I'm gonna get to that in a sec, but I just want to discuss how, for me, I'm a PI attorney in Los Angeles, personal injury, so I do car accidents. That's pretty much one of the most aggressive, competitive markets, personal injury attorneys in one of the most competitive and aggressive environments, which is Los Angeles. So, if not the most. So, this study back in Stanford, and I'm going to post a link below, actually talked about how when people are exercising, that they are being more creative. And very, very successful CEOs like Steve Jobs was known for his walking meetings, and Mark Zuckerberg was known to do exercise meetings. So essentially what they did was they gathered about 176 students to in 4 different experiments, and what they would do is they would try and see how the divergent thinking processes would go, which means what they would do is they would give objects to these people and have certain people exercising, and then ask them to think about alternate uses for the object. And it showed that the ones that were exercising more were actually more able to think of all sorts of uses for the object, which would prove most likely that exercising would promote creativity. And so if you're struggling to produce more content or struggling to get the brand out there, something good to do would be to just go for a walk. Not only to get yourself out of your environment, but also to get the creative juices flowing, get the endorphins flowing, or, go to the gym or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Things so that you're constantly thinking of new stuff, constantly being creative, and it will help get your name out there. So essentially that's something to think about. If you're struggling, you can get out there, switch it up a little bit, go for a walk, go for a run, and the creative juices should start flowing so that you can start thinking of new content and help to brand yourself. So walking right now, actually wanted to take it outside and prove that we're marketing and we're getting ourselves out there. So just to get the creative juices flowing. So Ingrid is #1 employee, and we're just going to be talking about how when you're stuck, to get outside and just to get things going. So what do you think?
I like that idea. That's actually a great idea. You get to take in some fresh air, which is good, and then you start thinking, and all these ideas come to your mind, and it
Awesome.
works out perfectly.
I love it. All right, thanks. I hope this was helpful. Jonny here. See you guys soon.